Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to lock TikTok app on iPhone. So first, what you want to do is just open up your settings. Once you're there, just scroll down till you see screen time, then just simply go to app limits right here, then tap on add limit, then just search for TikTok here on the search bar on the top or at the very top, then tap on TikTok. Tap on add in the top right corner. Do that again. TikTok right here. It's currently added. And just go next. Then just set it to 1 minute every day. You could customize it if you want, but let's just set it to 1 minute every day. Then just tap on add at the top right corner. And after 1 minute of usage of TikTok, it will automatically be locked and blocked unless you extend the time limit here on the app limit section. So you could just tap on TikTok, then time, and now you could set it to anything you want. And that's basically it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you on the next one.